Welcome to Food Truck Family Life. This is my husband, Brian, who's putting in a leveling kit for our trailer. We purchased it for about $270, just delivered to our door. It's really heavy.
Yeah, have a friend with you.
Yeah, have a friend with you.
You want it with slow weights?
It goes on a standard system as far as tools. We found out, which was a 7/8.
What's that?
The wrench.
The wrench.
To tighten the bolt for the ball.
Oh, the ball is
It's a
the nut underneath is
2 5/16.
No, it's a 2 5/16 ball, but the nut to tie everything up is a 1 7/8.
Exactly. So you'll need a 1 17. 1 7/8. This one right here. Anywho, so that's what my husband's trying to tighten up now. And it needs how much torque?
450 foot-pounds.
450 foot-pounds of torque.
For proper
to be safe. We're going to check it for the first, 6 months, every 2 months, just to make sure nothing's coming loose. So this is supposed to lighten the load on the truck itself.
It's like a handlebar off the wheelbarrow. That's the weight. Weighted down. So instead now putting weight on those bars, and it distributes the weight towards the front of the truck. So it gives it a more level appearance.
Yeah.
Distributes the weight better. That way braking will be better. Towing will be better. Not fighting the trailer.
Now we have a Dodge Ram 1500 Eco Diesel. It is, as far as measurements go, let me take a look here. Our front is 14 7/8 off the ground. Our back is 17 7/8 off the ground, and the trailer is 14 7/8. And our bow height was 20 inches. This is our old ball. This is what we were using before.
It worked great. I mean, there's no issues with it. I just want to be safer when I tow. Not only that, we've gone through what? We've gone through 3 sets of tires in a year and a half on the trailer, and already blown through a set of tires on the truck.
Yeah.
So
We feel like this is going to help overall.
it'll distribute it better, and with the tires, it won't put such a strain on, say, just the trailer tires, because everything's going to be more even. Because when you're riding, weight, the tongue weight's all there, putting more pressure on the front tires of the trailer, so when you're turning, and those are all the ones that we've blown out. So
Yeah. So there you have it. Our trailer's about 7,000, almost 8,000 pounds, fully loaded.
about 7,200.
7,200. We also have for our trailer a automatic lift, ultra tow. That was another $200 or so, almost $300.